Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to take a break on Instagram thread. Let's get into the video. So, once you log into your Instagram thread account, you click on these two horizontal lines. After which, you simply click on what? Account. Once you're there, you simply need to click on take a break. So, as you can see, you can actually take a break for about 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, or you can take a break for you can never take a break though, so the account can just be like that. So if you want to take a break, you simply leave it on what 10. So guys, that's actually the way you take a break on Instagram thread account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.